In this video, I will show you another website where you can make some money for yourself by completing simple tasks. As you can see here, you will receive $100 for participating on this task, and the payment method includes PayPal, gift card, and wire transfer. Then here's another task again that will pay you $150 after you complete the task. And here's another one. This one you pay it at $5, and this one also will also pay you $24. So in this video, I'll be showing you the website and how you are going to sign up and start making money on this website. So let's get started.
Before we continue, please kindly tap on the subscribe button and also leave me a thumbs up so that I'll be motivated to do more videos like this. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Subscribe. Thank you very much for doing that. Now let's continue.
The name of the website is dataforce.ai. You can see the URL on my taskbar. Dataforce by Transperfect. So once you come to this website, you just scroll down to this place that say apply for jobs and paid projects. So once you come over here, just tap on it. You tap on this place that says learn more. Then once you open, then you scroll down, you will see data sourcing projects and short and long term positions. So where you're going to tap is this data sourcing projects. Here you can see a lot of tasks you can complete and start making money for yourself. Okay, let's start with the first one. This one is audio recording for people in Canada, Mexico, and US. So you find the one for your country. So whichever country you are from. If you are from India, then this one is for you. Then this one is for India. Then if you are from Germany, this one is for you. For Brazil, this one is for you. Hong Kong, US. So this one is for people in India, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. Then this one is for people in South Africa, Malta, United Kingdom, United States, Canada. Then this is for United States. Then let's find the one for my country, which is Nigeria. This one is for South Africa. So there are a lot of tasks here actually. Then this one is for Nigerian. This one is image collection project. Argentina, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico, Nigeria, and or Turkey. So if I'm from any of these countries, this task is for you. So if you want to apply, just tap on preview job. There are a lot of tasks here. So this one is for Nigerians and other countries. So if you want to find out what this task is all about, just tap on this preview job. Then once it opens up, just go through all these things that I wrote here. Then you see what is the project about. You can see it. What is the project about? Then you see who is eligible. Say you must be 18 years old or older. Then you must reside in any of these countries: Argentina, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico, Nigeria, or Turkey. Then what they say you should do is you upload photos of indoor and outdoor hobbies and sport activities. Then this picture should be taken with iOS device, that is iPhone or iPad. So you can see how much you are going to receive per picture. You receive $0.7 per accepted photo. This thing might seem like a little money to you, but if you upload, let's say 100 pictures and you multiply it by this 0.7 USD, you see how much you'll be making. And then, but if you feel that this money is little for you, you can go and check out other tasks. Like this particular one now. This one is like this particular one. This one is paying $150 United States for successfully completing the project, and it will take you approximately 7 hours. This is another one. This one will pay you $100, and it take you approximately 90 minutes to complete the on-site section. In order to maximize your earnings on this website, what you are going to do, this is a trick actually. I'm going to tell you a trick. If you find out that there's not enough tax for your country, you can go ahead and register as a Canadian or as a United States person, you understand? Or you register as someone from Australia. If you find out that there are a lot of tasks for Canadians here, you register as a Canadian. If you find out that there's a lot of tasks for Indians, you register as Indians. Then from there, you can go ahead and complete the task. Just make sure you complete the task and you do it very well so that you can get paid. So if you want to register on this website, what you're going to tap on is just scroll down to any project, tap on preview job. So once it opens, you go down here. Then from here you can fill your details, put your first name, your last name, your email address, then your country of residence. Let's say you are from South Africa or Nigeria, but there are not enough tasks for you and you want to do this task, and you know that this task is for people from Hong Kong. Then you put Hong Kong as your country of residence. Then you put phone number. Then if you don't have phone number for Hong Kong, you can go on Google and search for temporary Hong Kong number. Then you put it here. Then you tap on I agree to the terms and condition. Then once you are done with that, then you go ahead and tap on the next button. Then you fill out all that details. Then register yourself and complete the task, and you get paid to either your PayPal or wire transfer. So I hope that is clear. If you have any questions, you drop it in the comment section.